Hello guys, so today we're going to be looking at physics paper 1 2019 GCE advanced level. So I'm going to give you the multiple choice, all the answers of this multiple choice so that you can get yourself well prepared for your GCE exams. So right now, without wasting of time, we are going to go right into it. Which of the following statements best explains why the homogeneity of a physical equations is not a sufficient condition for the correctness of equation? Correct answer for uh, one is C. A homogeneous equation may contain a wrong unit less constant. Question 2. Which of the following sets x, y, and z contains two vector quantities and one scalar quantity? Correct answer is A, which is the correct answer is A. 3. A small mass is suspended from one end of the vertical string and then whirled in a horizontal cycle at a constant velocity v. Correct answer for 3 is D. The string becomes inclined to the vertical at an angle 0. Question 4. An iron ball X and a copper ball Y of the same volume are thrown horizontally with the same velocity from the top of a tall building. Which of the following statement is true if air resistance is ignored? Correct answer for 4 is D. X and Y reach the ground at the same time and at the same distance from the building. A snooker ball collides heads with a smaller snooker ball moving in the opposite direction. Which of the following statement below is the correct statement of the conservation of momentum? Correct answer for 5 is A. The total momentum in the x and y direction stay constant. A battery is connected to a parallel plate capacitor that stores 6.0 times 10 to the power minus 4 energy. If the separation between the plates of the capacitor is doubled, which of the following would be the value of the energy stored? Correct answer for 6 is C, which is 3.0 times 10 to the power 4J. Question 7. Figure 7 shows a battery of 12 volts connected to three resistors. Which of the following sets of values is the correct value of the PD across XY and main current in the circuit? Correct answer for 7 is B, which is 4V. A sail has an EMF of 2.5 velocity. It cannot be balanced in a potentiometer of length 100 centimeter when connected to the driver. Sail of 2.0. Which of the following best explain why there is no balance point? Correct answer for 8 is D. The voltage across the wire is too low. An electrically charged pith ball of mass 4.0 then is suspended by a light thread of negligible mass and placed in a uniform electric field of strength. If the ball is deflected through an angle of 10 degrees, then the magnitude of the charge on it is. Correct answer for 9 is B. The rising frequency in an 1 minus circuit when the indulgence is increased by a factor of 4, keeping the capacitance constant, which is the following is the correct value for the new resonant frequency. Correct answer for 10 is B, which is 20. Which either essential information is required to calculate the energy needed to change 0.5 kilogram of ice at minus 10 degrees Celsius to water at 20 degrees Celsius if the energy lost to the surroundings at calorimeter is negligible? Correct answer for 11 is C. The simple kinetic theory of gases may be used to drive the expression relating the pressure P to the density P of a gas. Correct answer for 12 is D. Figure 2 shows a ray of light X in glass refracted into the air. If the speed of the light in air is 3.0 times 10 to the power second, which of the following is the correct value for the speed of light in gas? Correct answer for 13 is A. Tongen obeys law because correct answer for 14 is C. A diffraction grating of 500 lines per millimeter is illuminated normally by light of wavelength 600 millimeter. Which of the following images can be seen on either side of the normal exceeding the central image? Correct answer for 15 is A, which is 3. Figure 3 shows a variation of 1 F against L, where F is the frequency of a turning fork and 1 is the length of the vibrating air volume. The end correction is X and the velocity of sound in the air is V. Answer for 16 is C. The first law of thermodynamics for an ideal gas may be stated as the form of which of the following is the most correct statement about the equation? Correct answer for 17 is D. Two bodies, P and Q, are in thermal equilibrium. This statement means that correct answer for 18 is A. The statement means that there is no transfer of energy between F and Q. An electron moves in a circular orbit in a uniform B field. Which of the following statement is the most correct? Correct answer for 19 is A. The period of the electron in the orbit is independent of the speed of the electrons. Figure 4 shows how the force extended normally on a vertical wall by a fast-moving tennis ball varies with time. Which of the following statement is correct about the interaction? Correct answer for 20 is A, which is the area under the graph gives the change in momentum experienced by the ball. The work function of calcium is 1.4. The, ma- the maximum velocity of electrons emitted from the surface of calcium when illuminated by ultraviolet light of wavelength 380 millimeter is correct answer for 21 is A. Which of the following statements best explains the fact that electromagnetic radiation and electrons can both exhibit wave-like characteristics? Correct answer for 22 is B. Which of the following statements best explains the fact, okay, 23, when boron 0 minus 11 is bombarded with alpha particles, a new nucleus is found and a neutron is released. Which of the nuclei equally below represents the reaction? Correct answer for 23 is A. When light falls on the clean glass block of refractive index 1.5, it is noticed using a Polaroid that the refracted ray is completely plane polarized. Which of the following values is the angle of reflection? Correct answer for 25 is A, 56. Figure 6 shows a metal roll of mass 200 gram reported by pivot at the 20 centimeter mark and a string at the 100 centimeter mark. The sting passes round a frictionless pulse and carries a mass of 80 grams. Correct answer for 26 is B, which is 40 centimeter mark. Which of the following quantities has the smallest numerical values in SL units? Correct answer for 27 is B, the mass of an electron. The electrons in the Cameroon tube are accelerated from the cathode to the anode by potential difference V. This area D is decreased by a factor of 4. Which of the following statements is true when the electrons strive per screen? Correct answer for 28 is B. Which of the following description is consistent with a constant decrease in the current through a uniform piece of the conductor? Correct answer for 29 is D, which is unaltered increases decreases. A converging lens of focal length of 12 centimeter forms an upright image 4 times the size of its real image. Which of the following is the distance of the object? Correct answer for 30 is A, which is 15 centimeter. Which of the following statements best explains why an ammeter is always connected in series in an electrical circuit? Correct answer for 31 is C. In a number of successive decay processes in a nucleus, there is a net decrease in the proton number by 1 and a net decrease in the nucleon number by 4. Which of the following particles could be emitted? Correct answer for 32 is A. In an experiment to determine the heat capacity of a metal heat was applied at a steady rate of 1000 S. Figure 7 shows the variation of temperature with time. If the mass of the model is 7.5 kilograms, then the value for the specific heat capacity of the metal will be. Correct answer for 33 is B. A moving well galvanometer of internal resistance 20 gives a full-scale deflection for a current list if an external resistor of resistance. Correct answer for 34 is C. An observer is moving towards a sound source of constant frequency with a velocity of 40. He observed the frequency to be 560. If the velocity at which the observer is moving towards the sound source doubles, what will be the new observed velocity speed of sound? Correct answer for 35 is A, 620. So here we have 10 questions that we need to answer, and without wasting of time, I'm going to just give you the answers. You can read them after and see how we came about the answer. So I'm going to just read everything for you, give you the answers. Okay, so for we have 36 to 45, so you can be looking at them and revise them in your spare time. For 36, the answer is C. For 37, the answer is C. For 38, the answer is C. For 39, the answer is B. For 40, the answer is A. For 41, the answer is A. 42, the answer is B. 43, the answer is D. 44, the answer is C. 45, the answer is B. Then the last one, we are going to select the graphs as you said here. It says each of the equation of 46 to 50 has 4 sets of graphs A to D. Which of the graphs in each equation best fits the relationship between X and Y? Correct answer for 46 is C. Correct answer for 48 is 47 is B. 48 is A. 49 is D. And correct answer for 50 is C. So that is it about GCE Advanced Level 2019. You can share it with your friends. You can revise it in your spare time. Thank you for watching.